The TIAD Hotel in Nagoya, Japan, is part of Marriott's Autograph collection of hotels. It's located near the City Science Museum and also near the Osu shopping area, where you'll find all kinds of restaurants, secondhand stores, and other shopping. The hotel is right next to the Yabacho subway station, so it's pretty easy to get around the city, and you can get to both the main train station and the airport using public transportation. This is a room tour of a Premier King room. Okay, welcome to the TIAD, not sure. TIAD, all in caps. Not sure how you say that, but it's an autograph collection hotel by Marriott in Nagoya, Japan. So we're going to start here just in the entryway because I think this room is pretty cool the way it opens up, so I didn't want to spoil it, but there's a little bench with some coat racks and stuff over there. You can see our extra suitcase here that we packed and brought. Now full of stuff, so brought it over empty from the States and filled it full of stuff like we often do when we come to Japan. There's a place here for your luggage. There's a safe there and just, standard drawers and stuff, slippers and everything. And then let's look out into the room here. So this is a king. I believe she said it was a superior king. We were upgraded. We booked a king deluxe, I think. I think they put us up to a superior king or something like that. I'll have to double check, but I always get confused when we get these upgrades and they're like the same basic thing, but it's like a little bit larger of a king bed a little bit larger of a room in the same category type of thing. It's not a suite, but anyway, it's a bigger king, and it's a city view, which is nice. It's a beautiful view of the city. There's a full-length mirror there, as you can see. Large closet right here. I think you get the idea, but huge closet. At least, tall and everything. Over here, there's a little, almost mini bar area with a shelf, coffee maker and stuff. And then down here, a fridge with a mini bar that I don't think is on the little sensor thing where it charges you when you move it. We're definitely going to use that bottom part of the fridge, but anyway, mini bar, your coffee cups and everything like that, mugs, and other glasses and things, and then some more mini bar stuff. So, and even a teapot and a couple more glasses down there. So, anyway, moving on to the rest of the room here. I'll show you the sink. So this is the sink area, another big mirror. Now, a lot of under counter storage there. Quite nice. A lot of amenities in these rooms, like a bunch of amenities. So there's soap and stuff like that. Actually, I haven't opened this drawer yet. It's empty. But get all your shampoo and conditioner and everything here. The little body towel things. And then this thing. Has a whole bunch of stuff in it. Hairbrush and razor, toothbrush, all that stuff. So anyway, kind of going back to the main part of the room here. Again, we did get upgraded here, and as platinum members, they're giving us 4 p.m. checkout. We didn't get here early enough to utilize an early check-in, but we did get the late checkout. We're going to be here for 2 nights. They did also give us a welcome amenity of it's like points or a coupon for the spa. I think it's a discount at the spa, or like a champagne coupon or something. We just took the points. We don't drink, so the champagne didn't really make sense for us. And we're not going to use the spa. So anyway, on top of that, they did leave us this little box here, which I've opened with a note, which I think is very classy when they do that, and some little, I don't know, patisserie stuff, I think. Anyway, you can see the couch here, and this kind of seating area with these little trays, I think are cool, little working trays, I think. And then we're on the 12th floor, so beautiful view of the city. Nagoya is a beautiful city, the skyline and everything. This is the third hotel we've stayed in Nagoya, and they're all nice. They're all Marriott hotels, but Marriott Associate in Nagoya Station is really nice. You can check out our video on that. Also, stayed in the Courtyard, which is actually quite cheap, and also a very nice hotel. It's not too far from here. Yeah, they've all been really nice Marriott hotels. Very nice. So anyway, this is the king-size bed. You can see the little night tables, and we've got the iPad thing over here, which they also had at the Marriott, but looks like there's different lighting and things like that you can do. You can mess with the sheer and the drapes there. Those are electric, which is kind of nice. And yeah, so there's this other table here, little chair and table. Again, kind of a little work area. There's a lot of business travel that comes through Nagoya, from what I understand. So a lot of these hotels are built pretty well for business travelers. There's like another, or like an auxiliary air conditioner, freestanding like air conditioner type fan thing that we plan on using tonight. Sweltering hot in Japan today. It's June. And we are also getting free breakfast in this hotel, by the way, as Platinum status members. They have a restaurant on the 5th floor, which is where the lobby is. There's a beautiful kind of patio type thing. We haven't been out there yet, but there were some people sitting out by a fireplace. I think there are 2 restaurants on that floor. The breakfast is in one of them, and it's also included. Doesn't count as your welcome amenity, which is nice. So anyway, yet another table here, and separate toilet, all the buttons and everything you have when you're in Japan, and then the shower area. There's the shower and the separate tub, kind of Japanese style. So anyway, this will be our room for the next couple of nights. Again, very, very nice hotel. We booked this on free night certificates with Marriott. We had the 50,000 point certificates, and I think this was 48,000 or thereabouts. It's right about the value of the certificates. So really nice, good redemption. The Marriott Associate is not that expensive generally. And the Courtyard, like I said, is even cheaper. I think I used a 35,000 point certificate on when I was here in November, but I think it's only like about $150 a night, depending on the time of year. So, again, very nice hotels. So, you can see our room tours on both of those. I'll link those below. So, anyway, this is the TIAD by Marriott Autograph Collection in Nagoya, Japan.